Yeah, well, g'day everyone, welcome back to Ozito 888. Look, in this episode, which is episode 8 or part 8 of the Victa Utility lawnmower rebuild thingamajigam ongoing saga. Apologies for the long gap in between, but life has got in the way of a lot of things, which I won't go into. So we got in the shed today and we've done a little bit. You can probably see behind me. We've managed to sand down the cowling and give that a coat of paint, undercoat and top coat, and a few nuts and bolts and screws and bits and pieces. I've also got the motor back on the deck. After that was a bit of a clean up as well. So yeah, look, long awaited, but look, as I said, that's life. Life gets in the way. So we got some done on it today, which is good, and I hope you like it. So stick around, enjoy. Thanks for watching. Well, here's the much anticipated, long awaited episode 8 of this Victa Utility rebuild saga. So anyway, what I'm going to do today is I'm just cleaning down the motor. I've got a bit of petrol, just unleaded, in there. Wife's toothbrushes, never use your own. Some paper towels, and we'll get it cleaned off. Once I've got all the crud and stuff off, I'll get the Ozito Rotary Tool out and we'll give it a bit of a wire brush up and see where we end up with it. So stick around. I know this is going to be absolutely enthralling watching and viewing, so enjoy. Video. Let's go. What I might do, as well as using it, spray on a bit of degreaser. Just to loosen some of this crud off. And I do mean crud. Look, I haven't blocked any orifices. This is off. And no doubt this is going to smoke more than Bob Marley once it's fired up, which I'm sure I will fire it. But that's okay, it's all good. Righto, so there you go, part 8. A couple of runs in that, but I think we can live with that. Part 8 done and dusted. I think it's part 8, pretty sure it is. Of the Victa lawnmower build. We've managed to get the motor back on the deck. We've cleaned down the cowling. Give that a coat of paint. And sprayed some bolts and nuts and screws and bits and pieces up. So there we go. Long awaited, but we sort of got there in the end. I'll probably rush this a bit more than I wanted to, because I just wanted to get something done on it. But anyway, I'm okay with the results. It's a bit crappy on top of here, and around here. But look, I've actually found another date stamp on the thing, and it's 1971, I think. But look, we'll still call it a 1972 for all intents and purposes. So anyway, there you go. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. And I'll catch you again soon on Wizz 888. Bye for now.